The medical X-ray table fully meets the requirements of clinical sitting, standing, lying, and special postural radiography, and effectively expands the scope of clinical examination before clinical surgery. Many cases require X-ray examination of the patient. The patient is lying in the general operating bed. Medical X-ray tables are required for X-ray photography. The original design of transparent medical X-ray table, supporting the use of medical X-ray imaging equipment, Dr. Film, has the advantages of simple and convenient operation, one-foot break and unlock operation. Side column design to ensure barrier-free movement. Transparent bed plate is more convenient for doctors to locate and take pictures. The lightweight ultra-thin design is suitable for each kind of different position photography, and can carry on the fast and convenient switch. New HEEC medical X-ray table is divided into human and animal use, and human medical X-ray table is divided into fixed type, mobile type and four-way floating type. The bed surface of our medical X-ray table can be selected by ourselves, which is divided into carbon fiber, plexiglass and density plate. New HEEC medical X-ray table can meet your different purchase needs.